guys so much for coming back to watch another DIY video. Today I am working on some beautiful Christmas coasters, and I have put the silver metallic powder inside the coaster mold, and I am just spreading it around. And that is how that is looking. I'm going to mix up some resin and I'll be right back. I mixed a little red paint in my epoxy. Now it's time to pour. I'm going to let these sit up for about 40 minutes, and then I'll pour some more epoxy on top. The coaster is finished, guys. Turned out beautiful. And I'm about to demold it. Look at there. That is absolutely gorgeous. And I will be using this in a Christmas tablescape Tuesday. I had some epoxy left over, and epoxy is expensive, guys. I did not want to waste it, so I made some little Christmas ornaments. Then I took the Christmas ornament and put it on the inside of the stuffed globe. Along with a glitter pine cone that I DIY'd, and this beautiful bow. I had plenty of ribbon left over from when I used to do balloons, so I'm putting that to use. Thank you once again for coming back and watching another DIY video for my Christmas coasters. I hope everyone has a wonderful, blessed, happy holidays. Be safe out there shopping, guys, and be blessed.